Cheers, guys. As I do need a new rear brake cable, it's time to mount something. Motorino Diavolo number 4. As we know, we have the main stand. They always buckle, even the fancy ones, with this additional beam. It's just not solvable. We have that spring here, and this spring pulls the main stand back, and it makes quite a loud noise. Boom. We do have a rubber that should soften this hit in here. We do have a rubber that should soften this hit in here, but I mean, it is very loud. So there comes the idea of Motorino Diavolo. You just mount a special metal piece here with the rear brake pedal, and you have this suspension here which should soften it down, and that's what I'm gonna mount now. The set comes even with 2 and a good manual with pictures. It's very easy to assemble. I'm not gonna bore you with how to assemble it. It's a few screws, but I then gonna show you the function of the main stand, that it softly goes back, not like this. Look. Jeez. Here is that metal sheet that you add at the 2 screws, this one and the one on the other side, and then you just take the damper, fix it here, and here that metal sheet with the included screws, and that was it. And it looks like boom. There are 2 dampers included. I would recommend to use both. I don't have the right main stand for that. I only have one metal point. I only have one spot here to connect. So I guess in curves or in bumps it will be a bit funky, the main stand, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't go down. It keeps it up, and it doesn't make that noise anymore. Look. Pop. Pop. Nice. I like it. Cheers, guys. Have a good one. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. More stuff coming on. Cheers, guys. VMC superG 177 long stroke 186. First start. Let's see how it sounds. Sound fair, doesn't it? Brand new Polini box. It sounds so nice, doesn't it?
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?